In this video, we'll explore RPR commercial site selection, where you can find the ideal area to search for a property based on a community's behaviors, economic, or demographic data. Let's get started. From the homepage, select Research and Commercial Site Selection. Site selection asks the question, where are the right people for a business? Use this analysis to help a client find the best place to search for properties using Esri's demographic, economic, psychographic, and spending data, helping to identify the communities and economic conditions that they want to be around. This tool is useful in all types of commercial site selection efforts, from finding a consumer base for a new restaurant to locating the perfect area to invest in a medical office facility. When using this search, choose a broad area to search and then enter the attributes about your desired customer, employee, or renter base and trade area economic conditions. We'll walk through a quick example. A realtor in Columbus, Ohio specializes in finding investment opportunities for senior care facilities. The client has indicated that they're interested in opportunities in Cincinnati, so our area to search is Cincinnati, Ohio. Let's start with our first attribute. Who are they? Age, and seniors. Select OK. From an investment perspective, it's important to find areas that have high concentrations of seniors, of course, but also to be in an area with high home ownership. We can add more criteria, facts and stats, housing stats, and own a home. And you may want to understand the community's net worth to get an idea of what type of facility will work best. This is who they are, net worth, and median net worth. Click OK. You could even go the next step to see what areas are spending annually on medical expenses such as convalescent and nursing. That would be what they buy, healthcare, and convalescent and nursing. And if you're curious where the data is coming from, simply hover over the question mark and the system will show you where it came from along with when it was last updated. Once you select Run Analysis, you'll be directed to the Analysis Results page, showing the best trade area matches in the darkest purple color. Click on the Geography pull-down menu and select your geography. You'll see areas that are the best match. If you plan to include the site selection process in your presentation for a client, you can go ahead and generate the report by clicking the Get Trade Area Analysis button. Once back on the site selection results, you can select all of the best geographical matches and perform a search. This type of search helps you in your site selection process based on spending habits, as well as current and projected economic and demographic conditions. And that's how you run site selection in RPR. Be sure to subscribe to the RPR YouTube channel. It's an easy way to learn more about RPR features and tools and stay current on updates and improvements.